14 Scientific Reasons Why Dragon Fruit is the New Miracle Food. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is a stunning tropical fruit that has gained popularity for its vibrant appearance and unique flavor. Beyond its striking looks, dragon fruit boasts a wealth of health benefits that make it a superfood worth including in your diet. From boosting your immune system to aiding in digestion, dragon fruit offers a variety of nutrients and antioxidants that can contribute to overall well-being. Here's a detailed look at the health benefits of dragon fruit and why you should make it a part of your diet. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Dragon fruit is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in essential vitamins and minerals. It is a great source of vitamin C, B vitamins, calcium, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining the body's metabolic functions, supporting bone health, and improving immune defense. Additionally, dragon fruit is loaded with powerful antioxidants like betalains, hydroxycinamates, and flavonoids, which help fight free radicals in the body. These antioxidants are known to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Number 2. Boosts immune system. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, dragon fruit can significantly boost your immune system. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that protects the body against harmful pathogens and supports the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting infections. Including dragon fruit in your diet can help keep common illnesses like colds and flu at bay. Number 3. Improves iron levels. Iron is an essential mineral responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body and supporting energy production. Dragon fruit is a good plant-based source of iron, making it especially beneficial for vegetarians and vegans. Coupled with its vitamin C content, which enhances iron absorption, dragon fruit can help improve iron levels and prevent anemia. Number 4. Supports heart health. Dragon fruit is an excellent choice for heart health due to its high content of fiber and antioxidants, which help reduce bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol. Additionally, the presence of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in dragon fruit seeds can further support cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and improving circulation. Regular consumption of dragon fruit may lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 5. Aids in weight management. If you are looking to manage your weight, dragon fruit can be a great addition to your diet. Low in calories, but high in fiber, dragon fruit helps you feel full for longer periods, curbing unnecessary snacking and overeating. Its high water content also helps keep you hydrated and satisfied, making it an ideal snack for those watching their weight. Number 6. Supports healthy skin. The antioxidants, vitamin C, and other nutrients in dragon fruit work wonders for your skin. These compounds help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, age spots, and acne, promoting a youthful and vibrant complexion. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of dragon fruit can help soothe irritated skin conditions, such as sunburn or eczema. Incorporating dragon fruit into your diet or applying it topically can help you achieve glowing, healthy skin. Number 7. Helps manage blood sugar levels. Dragon fruit may benefit individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, preventing spikes after meals. Research has shown that regular consumption of dragon fruit can improve insulin sensitivity, making it a potential natural aid for managing diabetes. Number 8. Supports bone health. Dragon fruit contains essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are vital for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. These minerals work together to strengthen bone density, reduce the risk of osteoporosis, and support overall skeletal health. Regular intake of dragon fruit can help ensure that your bones remain strong and resilient as you age. Number 9. Promotes digestive health. Dragon fruit is rich in dietary fiber, which aids in maintaining healthy digestion. Fiber adds bulk to your stool and supports regular bowel movements, preventing constipation. It also acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which are essential for a healthy digestive tract. A diet high in fiber can also help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar, contributing to overall gut health. Number 10. Enhances mood and mental health. Dragon fruit's rich supply of B vitamins, magnesium, and antioxidants can positively impact mental health. Magnesium plays a role in mood regulation, helping to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. The B vitamins contribute to the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for brain function and mood stability. Adding dragon fruit to your diet can help keep your mind sharp and your mood balanced. Number 11. Beneficial for eye health. This fruit is a source of beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body. The lens of the human eye contains high levels of lutein, zeaxanthin, and mesozeaxanthin, which contribute to maintaining ocular wellness and warding off eye-related ailments. Studies indicate that a daily intake of 3 to 6 milligrams of beta-carotene may help prevent eye disorders. Number 12. Advantageous for hair. Research indicates that consuming dragon fruit daily with milk can decrease hair damage caused by environmental pollutants and synthetic dyes. Additionally, it can improve hair texture, making it smoother and more lustrous, thereby enhancing its overall appearance. Number 13. Magnesium-rich fruit. Dragon fruit stands out among fruits for its high magnesium content, providing 18% of the recommended daily intake in a single cup. The human body typically contains about 24 g of magnesium, equivalent to roughly 1 ounce. Despite this relatively small quantity, magnesium is present in every cell and plays a crucial role in over 600 essential chemical processes within the body. These processes include the conversion of food into energy, muscle contractions, bone development, and even DNA synthesis. Number 14. Cancer-fighting properties. Dragon fruit contains antioxidants known as hydroxycinamates, which may help prevent cancer. It also includes lycopene, a compound commonly found in tomatoes, which aids in protecting the body from both chemical and natural toxins. The fruit's high antioxidant content makes it effective in preventing cell damage and reducing inflammation. Well, that's everything you need to know about the health benefits of dragon fruit. Now, let's dive into some frequently asked questions about dragon fruit. Question 1. How to incorporate dragon fruit into your diet. Dragon fruit can be enjoyed in various ways, making it easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Here are some simple ideas. Smoothies. Blend dragon fruit with other fruits, yogurt, and a splash of almond milk for a refreshing and nutrient-packed smoothie. Salads. Add dragon fruit cubes to fruit salads or green salads for a pop of color and a sweet, crunchy texture. Bowls. Top your breakfast bowl of yogurt or oatmeal with dragon fruit for an extra boost of vitamins and fiber. Snacks. Enjoy dragon fruit as a quick, healthy snack by simply slicing it in half and scooping out the flesh with a spoon. Question 2. What does dragon fruit taste like? Dragon fruit has a mildly sweet and slightly tangy flavor, similar to a mix of kiwi and pear. Its texture is soft and crunchy due to the small seeds. Question 3. Is it safe to eat dragon fruit every day? Yes, eating dragon fruit daily is generally safe and can provide consistent health benefits due to its nutrient content. However, like any food, it should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. Question 4. Does dragon fruit have any side effects? Dragon fruit is generally safe for most people. However, excessive consumption may cause mild digestive issues in some individuals, such as bloating or an upset stomach. Allergic reactions are rare but possible. Question 5. How do you know when a dragon fruit is ripe? A ripe dragon fruit will have bright, evenly colored skin. It should be slightly soft to the touch, but not mushy. If it's too firm, it needs more time to ripen. Question 6. How should dragon fruit be stored? Store dragon fruit at room temperature until ripe. Once ripe, it can be kept in the refrigerator for a few days. Cut fruit should be wrapped and stored in the fridge and consumed within a day or two. Question 7. Which dragon fruit is best? The red-fleshed dragon fruit has a sweeter taste, compared to its white counterpart due to its higher sugar content. Per 100 grams, red dragon fruit contains 11.5 grams of sugar, while white dragon fruit has only 7.65 grams. Question 8. Which fruit is equal to dragon fruit? Papaya can serve as an alternative to dragon fruit in certain situations, similar to kiwi and watermelon. Both papaya and dragon fruit share a somewhat creamy texture. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.